Have you ever felt worried about your child's self-confidence level? Do you want to provide interesting and exciting learning for your child? Get ready for an unforgettable journey as our students embark on an exciting outbound adventure.
세상에 음악의 신이 있다면 고맙다고 안아주고 싶어.
Leaving the confines of the classroom behind, these young adventurers are ready to explore, learn, and challenge themselves in the great outdoors. Here, we learn that success is not an individual achievement, but the result of collaboration and cooperation. In each game, we learn to listen to each other, appreciate each other's roles, and celebrate every success together. Through every game we play, we not only test our abilities, but also grow our confidence. Here, we not only fill our stomachs, but also fill our hearts with the warmth of friendship and funny stories. At Carnegie School, outdoor adventure is not just about physical activity, but also about personal growth, lasting friendships, and unforgettable togetherness.